Here I have LG K40 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb on the following device. So at the very beginning let's use the notification panel. Let's do it twice. Here let's swipe to the left and here you've got Do Not Disturb. You can tap it and you just activate Do Not Disturb. If you would like to find the Do Not Disturb settings, let's hold down on this icon for a longer, for some 2 seconds or something like that, and now you've got Do Not Disturb settings, so you can choose here the mode. You can use the priority only, or you can select total silence, so you won't be disturbed at all. You can also select some priorities. For example, you can here handle with repeat callers, you can accept some calls or some messages, and here you can also schedule the Do Not Disturb. For example, you can activate this mode on weekends, or for example you can use the weeknight to activate the Do Not Disturb. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.